Sit in Vajrasana. Your back, neck and spine is straight. Then open your knees. Stretch forward for Balasana. Inhale. Exhale all the way down. Bring your forehead onto the ground. And push onto your hands and knees, stand into the cat. Inhale, lift your head up, arch your back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Let's repeat 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Back to the center. Then inhale, bring your right arm up. Exhale, thread needle. And push with your hand. Inhale, bring your right arm back to the sky. Exhale, release. Chain the hand. Inhale, left arm towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. And push with your hand. Come back to the cat. And push into Parvatasana or downward dog. One leg stretch. And then walk forward. Interlock your hands, hang. Inhale, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, exhale, twist to the left, and can do the rhythmic. Stretching sides. Bring the hand down, back to the downward dog, back to the cat, and back to Vajrasana. If you can't sit in Vajrasana, you can stretch your legs out. Bend your right knee by the side of the left. Hold with your left hand. Inhale, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale back, exhale, release, change your leg. Hold with your right hand. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale back, exhale, release, stretch your legs out, shake them, lean back and rest. Namaste.